Welcome to this healing energy meditation, a space where you can connect with the innate healing power within you. Whether you are seeking physical, emotional, or spiritual healing, this meditation is designed to guide you through a journey of restoration and rejuvenation. Find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Make sure that you won't be disturbed during this time, allowing yourself to fully relax and focus on the healing process. When you're ready, gently close your eyes and take a deep breath, inviting calmness and tranquility into your being. Let's begin by centering ourselves in the present moment. Take a few deep breaths, in through your nose and out through your mouth. Feel the air entering your lungs, expanding your chest, and then gently releasing as you exhale. With each breath, allow your body to relax more deeply, releasing any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Now, bring your attention to the surface beneath you. Feel the support of the ground or the chair, holding you up, steady and secure. Imagine roots growing from the base of your spine, deep into the earth, grounding you, connecting you with the nurturing energy of the planet. This grounding energy provides a foundation of stability and safety, allowing you to relax completely. As you continue to breathe deeply, visualize a warm, golden light entering the top of your head, flowing down through your body, and mixing with the grounding energy of the earth. This golden light is filled with healing and peace, and it gently cleanses and purifies your entire being as it flows through you. Now that you are grounded and centered, let's focus on connecting with your body's natural healing energy. Bring your awareness to any areas of your body that may need healing, whether it's physical pain, discomfort, or tension. Perhaps there's a place in your body that feels heavy, tight, or blocked. Visualize this area in your mind's eye and imagine the golden light beginning to concentrate there. As this light touches the area, feel it gently warming and soothing, melting away any discomfort or pain. See the cells in your body responding to this healing light, repairing, regenerating, and restoring balance. If you're dealing with an emotional wound, bring your attention to your heart center. Imagine the golden light filling your heart, wrapping around any pain, sadness, or anxiety you may be holding. Allow this light to dissolve any negative emotions, replacing them with love, compassion, and peace. Take your time to breathe deeply into these areas, allowing the healing energy to penetrate deeply into every cell, every tissue, and every organ. Feel the energy working through you, bringing a sense of relief, relaxation, and renewal. Now that you've connected with your body's healing energy, let's use guided imagery to enhance the healing process. Imagine yourself in a beautiful, peaceful place in nature, a place where you feel completely safe and at ease. This could be a lush forest, a serene beach, a quiet meadow, or any other place that brings you comfort. As you stand in this peaceful place, notice the sights, sounds, and sensations around you. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the gentle breeze caressing your face, and the grounding energy of the earth beneath your feet. You are surrounded by the healing power of nature, and this energy is flowing into you, restoring balance and harmony to your entire being. In the distance, you see a stream of crystal clear water flowing gently through the landscape. Walk over to the stream and sit by its edge. Notice how the water sparkles in the sunlight, reflecting the golden light of healing. Now, imagine that the stream represents the flow of healing energy in your body. As you sit by the water, gently place your hands in the stream, feeling the cool, refreshing water flowing over your fingers. As you do, imagine that this water is washing away any remaining pain, tension, or emotional blockages. Allow the healing energy of the water to flow through your body, carrying away anything that no longer serves you. Feel the water cleansing and purifying your entire being, leaving you feeling light, refreshed, and renewed. Now that you've used guided imagery to enhance your healing, let's reinforce this process with some positive affirmations. These affirmations are designed to align your mind, body, and spirit with healing and well-being. Silently repeat each affirmation after me, or simply allow the words to resonate within you. I am open to the healing energy that flows within and around me. I trust in my body's natural ability to heal and restore itself. I release all pain and discomfort, allowing my body to return to a state of balance. I am worthy of health, happiness, and peace. I choose to let go of all negative emotions and embrace love and joy. I am grateful for my body's strength and resilience. I allow healing to flow into every cell of my body. I am whole, healthy, and complete. I trust the process of healing and know that I am supported in every way. I am filled with love, light, and healing energy. As you repeat these affirmations, feel their truth resonating within you. Know that by aligning your thoughts with these positive statements, you are reinforcing the healing process and promoting overall well-being. Now that we've connected with healing energy and reinforced it with positive affirmations, let's take a moment to fully embrace the healing that has occurred during this meditation. Return to the peaceful place in nature that you imagined earlier. As you stand in this place, take a deep breath in, feeling the healing energy filling your lungs, your body, and your mind. As you exhale, feel a deep sense of gratitude for the healing that has taken place. Imagine yourself standing with your arms outstretched, welcoming all the healing energy that is available to you. Feel the warmth of the sun, the freshness of the air, and the grounding energy of the earth, all supporting your healing journey. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow yourself to fully experience the peace, love, and light that is now flowing through you. Know that this healing energy is always available to you, ready to be accessed whenever you need it. Take a moment to express gratitude for your body, for its strength and resilience, and for its ability to heal and restore itself. Express gratitude for your mind, for its ability to focus, visualize, and align with healing. And express gratitude for your spirit, for its connection to the infinite source of love, light, and healing energy. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a few more deep breaths, allowing yourself to fully absorb the healing energy that you've cultivated. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Feel the surface beneath you, the touch of the air on your skin, and the sounds around you. Slowly begin to move your fingers and toes, bringing gentle movement back into your body. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, taking in the light and colors around you. Take a moment to stretch, if that feels good, and notice how your body feels healed, restored, and at peace. Thank you for joining me in this healing energy meditation. Remember, the healing energy you've cultivated during this meditation is always within you, ready to be accessed whenever you need it. If you enjoyed this meditation, consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Share it with anyone who might benefit from physical and emotional healing. I wish you a day filled with love, peace, and well-being. Take care, and I'll see you in the next meditation.